So we out here at Rafa's garage. I'm actually gonna start working on the Celica. It gave me a couple of codes. It's been giving me a Misfire for cylinder 4, and it's kind of weird because I did a compression test not so long ago. So I've already checked the spark plugs. I've already checked the injectors, the coils, and it's still not doing it. So I'm gonna do another compression test right now, real quick. And while I'm at it, replace the spark plugs already, you know. Also getting other codes, random Misfire. I'm getting, what else am I getting? I'm getting an O2 sensor, the heater. So I'm gonna check the fuse over there, make sure it's not blown, and also make sure I didn't strip one of the wires because I'm kind of low. So make sure I didn't, you know, all the wires are fine. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick. It's fairly easy. Take out the coils, take out the spark plugs, take off the injectors or unplug the injectors and crank it over. I'm just gonna do cylinder 4, and I know cylinder 2 is actually also low compression. It's at 180. Every other one's supposed to be at 210. So I'm just gonna check those 2 cylinders. You know what? I'm gonna check all of them. Screw it. Fairly easy. Take off this 10, all these for the coils, unplug all these coils, and then take off my C1 valve cover, and then unplug the injectors, and we can crank it over, put the thing, and call it a day. So everything's ready to go. Unplug the injectors, spark plugs are out. I got the new ones up there, and then compressor's already ready, cylinder 4. I double checked my fuses right now, and it does look like this fuse is blown, and that one's for the O2 sensor. So that might be my problem right there, one of my problems. But so it's actually EFI number 2. I'm not sure if you can see that, but yeah, I'm gonna replace this real quick, and then also check my O2 sensor down in the bottom and see if it's stripped or something, because something caused it to blow out. So my girl's gonna crank it over real quick. Make sure you take it out of gear, and then that way I could show you guys where it's at. So crank it. I'll tell you when to stop. It's not bad. 190. So again, cylinder 3 right here. Cylinder 2. Go ahead, babe. $180. 170 something. So cylinder 1. Go ahead, babe. This one's higher than normal. 210. Went down. Those 2 cylinders over there went down, which is good. Well, I expected this one to be down. That way it could be all around the same area, but still good. So time to put these on real quick, put everything back together, swap that fuse, and check the O2 sensor right now. So let's get to it. Everything's back together. Let's replace this fuse right now and then lift it up, check the O2 sensor real quick, and go for a test drive. There it is. Take it out. 7.5. Put another 7.5 right here, and there you go. Just blown. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's blown. There you go. Much better. So yeah, blown. So let's lift up this side, because the O2 sensor's on this side, and check if we have any strip wire right now. So I'm checking the O2 sensor right here. I don't see nothing that's stripped. Let's just go seal. That one's good also, the one over there. So let's go for a test run, see how it runs. No strip wires here, so I don't think I have a strip wire somewhere. So let's go for a test run, and then let's see if it blows up again. Going down. Just gotta clean up all this mess right here, and then go for a test drive.
We'll be right back.